Want the benefits of your child playing and using puzzles without all of the extra cost of having to buy a variety of puzzles? Then don't go ahead and throw away those boxes that you have left over from cereal and their snacks. I'm going to show you how you can DIY your very own puzzles. And you're going to cut off the front panel of whichever box you are using. Once you have the front panel cut out, go ahead and cut off the flap. And then on the inside of that panel, you are going to draw lines to create your puzzle pieces. Create as many as you want or as many as you think your child can handle. This puzzle is going to be fairly simple, and I'm just going to do straight and diagonal lines. There are my lines, and now I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors again, and I'm going to go ahead and cut on the line to create my puzzle pieces. And there you have it. Now I have my puzzle pieces, and you can place them in a baggie and then have your child work and try to put the puzzle together. Let me know if this sounds like a great idea for you and your